Okay, YouTube. I was doing some research here on YouTube, so this is my conclusion. Get rid of this. That's the charging port. It was pretty bad inside of that shot. But anyway, what you do is you just get a wire. Actually, this wire is a video wire. As long as it has 4 wires, 3 colors match, and I took the chance to put the green with the yellow, so it's working. All you have to do now is put it together. All the parts, quite a few screws, but once you do this connection, 4 wires, but it is charging. See the light. Try to find it on eBay, and eBay doesn't have anything as far as a charging port for this particular flip, jblflip 2. Hope this worked for you guys. Remember, 4 wires connected to my regular Galaxy S4 charger, and it's working. No big deal. Tape it up, put it all together, and close it up. We're good to go. Cool.